Welcome back, everybody. Alrighty, guys. Welcome to the show. Welcome back to Game Night with G, everybody. I hope you guys are excited for the next episode. As you can see, this is our top team of the season so far. We are on our 7th episode, is that right? Yeah. 7th episode of Game Night with G. Team 2 states leading the way. But now, it's time for a very, very, very exciting team to join us on game nights. What can I say about this team? I've known one member for about a decade and another member for about a double decade. So really, really good friends of mine, hanging around for a bunch of time, and now they are in Boston, Massachusetts. And now they are going to join us very, very shortly. Please welcome Team Patiala Peg, everybody. Alright, let me just quickly figure out how to send this request to Kanika Minocha, the better half of Patiala. Let's just the show. Any second now.
Yo!
Hello!
What's up, guys? Hola, how are you guys?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Bien?
We are good. Punjabi में बात करो, guys.
Some Spanish in Pondicherry, man. No, not a French Union anymore.
What's up, bro?
Dude, first of all, let me just quickly tell everybody how excited I am that Sanam Singh is on Instagram. First of all, I need a round of applause.
No, it's an achievement, bro. It's an achievement for me. It's a very important moment in my life.
And
Insta
mine
life,
too.
yeah.
Mine too.
The thing is, I'm glad we're a team here right now, because if it was just me, I probably wouldn't be able to come on anyway. So I'm glad that you helped me
I
out.
don't think that that's true. But I'm so happy both of you are finally here, man, on game night.
Dude, we're
Very
pumped, man.
excited to be here.
Hi, Amisha.
Jacked up, dude.
Amisha's joined us. Amisha's here. What's up, everybody? Let's just
Dude,
give it a couple of seconds.
I have a question for you. Everyone is showing talents and stuff. When are we going to see the Starboy come out again?
Rude.
Bro, I think
Dude,
that was one of the best performances I've seen.
The rumor has it that there's a talent that's coming out in this episode, which is maybe one level higher than Starboy performance. Okay, this is what I've heard.
I don't
So
know.
what's gonna happen right now is we're gonna flip it a little bit, guys. I can see we already have a bunch of people joining us. So let's give them a little bit of a reward for the early birds joining us on game night. We'll mix it up a little bit today. What we'll do is we'll have the talent section be the first segment. Okay. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna let Kanika please explain Team Patiala Peg's talent. I'm very curious to know what it is. Take it away.
All right. So, a lot of people don't know this, but Sanam had a phase in college where he started to write rap. Let's just say his writing abilities are not the same as his down the line backhand. So
I agree. Okay.
I wrote us a rap I took over.
Okay. Wow. Wow. You wrote a rap. Wow.
Wrote a rap, and Sanam, because his confidence is way higher than mine, is going to be the one performing the rap. And I'll be there to support.
Wait. So hold on. Sanam Singh is going to rap at his Instagram live debut performance. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah, dude. Basically, Insta version, rap version, every seal is gonna be broken today.
It's a family-friendly show. Just saying.
I love it, man. I love it. So Adil Kalyanpur, obviously you guys must have heard of him, of all the rapping that he's
Dude,
doing. He's
oh,
here, man.
Hey, Cal.
I have to
Does
say
he-
this the other day, and I saw Adil is here, and
Yeah.
we were on devotional racket, and Kanika's in the kitchen, and she goes, "Sanam, Akal just came on." I was like, "Why are you calling him Akal?"
Dude, he's
So big
Akal,
shout out
man.
to
He's
Akal.
Akal from now on. That's his name. It's done.
Dude,
It's
that
done.
guy's a legend, man. What a legend.
So we have another rap performance coming up. So this is the talent. So I see Bopes is here, Som is here. So I think we have
What's up,
enough judges,
boys?
man. I think we have enough judges for your team performance here. Composed by Kanika, performed by Sanam Singh.
Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna give it a shot. If I mess up, I'll blame it on the Insta live.
All right.
You messed up enough with me, bro. No problem. Keep going.
Okay, ready? Let's do it.
It's gonna be class.
I Hamad game night without taking any flight. 1000 points की है ये fight. ये host है चेन्नई का dark night. जीवन है इसका नाम. नेहा है इसका काम. पूछता है सारे सवाल, मचाता है सबके ये मन में बवाल. इस टीम का नाम है पटियाला पेग. पंजाब में होती है इसकी रिस्पेक्ट. कंसर्न डोंट डू नो मिक्स ड्रिंक्स. आओ पीते हैं शॉट्स डायरेक्ट. टैलेंट की यहाँ लगती है बोली. ब्रेन का है ये सारा खेल. जीवन का आइडिया है टॉप क्लास. बाकी सब है सब खल्लास. Saturday
Damn.
so waste no time. शुरू करो पार्टी and raise your glass.
You can take it off now.
Wow. I understood about 75%, but I'm very pumped.
Oh man, that was
Man,
fun.
Sanam, you nailed it, bro. Well done. You nailed it.
He sure did. Good job, partner.
Insta version
Sing
no
is
more.
king. Sing is king. Punjabi
We're
Snoop
We're
Dogg.
moving us now.
Okay, I'm gonna take this
50,
up now.
50, 50. Vishal Upal with the claps. It's settled, ladies and gentlemen. Team Patiala Peg begins the show 100%. 50 out of 50. Take it. Wow, man. I just need to see a
Oh,
few
man.
more comments, but people loved it. I love that, man. That was unreal. Sanam Singh, I didn't know you rap, bro. This
No, I didn't know either. I just found out like
Yeah.
a week, 10 days ago. I tried, and I'm.
I,
glad
I think the future has a ACAL and an S Singh collaboration in store for sure.
Love it, man. If I can do anything with ACAL, it's a proud moment for me.
No, I love it, dude. That's so good.
So just before we start, dude, here we want to show you a little bit about our team since Kanika takes.
Sorry, I can't.
I see that. Team Patiala Peg. Is that what's written there? Yeah.
Live
Let's raise
life,
a glass.
life Patiala peg size, guys. Cheers.
Cheers to game nights, everybody.
Yeah, and I know Jeevan, when we talked before, you
Yeah.
wanted to know where the Patiala peg originated.
I did. Yes,
So
yes.
this
Please
is,
tell me about that.
And these are the kind of things I just know. No, I'm joking, dude. I saw this somewhere. But back in the 30s or so, there was
Okay.
a royal family of Patiala, and they used to have these parties where they made a rule that you can only have 2 drinks at that party, and those 2 drinks were only going to be as big as 2 fingers. So
Two
basically, your
fingers.
peg could only be
Okay.
2 fingers. But
Okay.
they didn't mention which 2 fingers. So what they started doing instead of this, they went like this.
Ah!
So,
This is the perfect team name, bro, for you guys. I love it.
but yeah, that's where
This is gonna be your victory logo if you cross this total. Is what I feel. I can feel this coming out.
yeah. I'll have to give credit to Kanika for coming up with the name.
Told you,
Patiala peg.
writing
How-
and words are my forte, not his.
Did you guys tell me about that mug also? How did you guys get up that mug? You guys,
I ordered it, dude.
Yeah.
No, dude.
man, you were.
The moment we decided the name, I went online,
Okay.
downloaded this image, I sent
How
it
class
to
is that?
print, and they sent it to us.
Dude, that's unbelievable. What an effort. Man, I'm rooting for you guys. I want to see you guys put up a solid total here. We've done these game nights before. I know Kanika is on it, and I know Sanam is going to try his best.
Yeah, that's dude. Great. Thank you for clarifying that because I mean, she's like I'm competitive, but when it comes to game nights, I mean, she's another level. So I'm hoping I
Another
can
level.
kind of like keep up.
I do also want to tell you, Sanam has a lot on the line. So this is
Tell
the
me.
most competitive I've gotten since I stopped playing golf, right? So if he doesn't win, and if sorry Vishnu and Sonia, but we have to beat you. That's why we're here to beat. And if
You're
Sanam
here for the win,
doesn't
man.
help,
Respect.
thanks.
Respect. You're here for the win.
Help,
I
he's
feel
not
it.
butter chicken for the rest of 2020.
Misha says, how about 50 extra points for the effort?
Dude, come on. I
Nothing's
think
off-
that's a good. That's I mean,
Nothing's off the table. Nothing's off the table for now. Let's see what happens with the show, though. So, guys, are you ready? This is a fantastic entrance. For those of you just joining us, Team Patiala Peg has already performed their talent. So, next time onwards, please show up on time. You won't miss any bits of game night. But they've scored 50 out of 50. Fantastic rap performance by SK Singh, composed by K Minocha, watched by ACAL. It's a lot of initials.
And
These-
dude, the devotional racket members as well.
That's true.
The
Okay,
founding
okay.
members of devotional racket.
Hey, you showed up and you killed the rap, man. You got the 50. Potential to negotiate for more points also. It's open.
Oh,
Doors
I'm
are
very
open.
bad at negotiation. So, Sana, I appoint Somdev to negotiate on our behalf.
Somdev was being very fierce with the negotiation till the overall total went a little higher than 810. Then he said, I'm happy that somebody has scored over 810. I can't weasel my way to 840. Oh, God. Okay, guys. So the first game that we're going to play, as you all know, is the feud. Pretty basic. Use the comment section as much as you can. I got you guys on a minute. But before we start, let me just, I forget again, my scorekeeper and timekeeper. They want to obviously wish you something. So are they going to come on?
What's up, guys?
Good luck.
Thanks.
Man, it's on. So yeah, Neha is going to have the timer, which she's going to show you in a second. As you can see, we have upgraded to an iPhone, so the clarity can improve. It's a big episode. So 1 minute on the clock, and you guys have a chance to join the 800 club, as Amisha just pointed out.
Dude, I have a question before we start. I always see this phone like just popping up there. Is she squatting the whole time? She must have strong legs, huh?
Dude, she doesn't. Sanam's got a question. He's saying he keeps seeing the phone pop up like this. Is Neha on a half squat position the whole time? What? She says pretty much she's not really using the chair. She's getting a workout in through the show.
Okay. Done.
1 minute on the clock, Team Patiala Peg. Use the comments. Do as much as you can. Give me the top 5 answers that we have on our survey. And we're off to the races. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. For question 1 for Team Patiala Peg. Once I read out the question, your time starts. All right. Guys, name some things that shine. Your time starts now.
Sun, diamond,
Stars.
Number 1, number 2, number
Stars.
5. Yes, we got 3 out of 5 already. Wow.
glitter, sequins,
Yes, you got 4 with glitter. That's fine. I'm just looking for one more answer. The third best.
jewelry. I already
Oh,
said
yeah,
diamond, jewelry.
Yeah.
Sweat.
Shine, 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 shine.
And you got 4 out of 5 already. You got 4 out of 5. I'm just looking
Disco
for
ball,
one more.
Oh
mirror.
yeah. Sunglasses. No, I don't think.
Disco
No,
ball,
no
mirror.
I know you said disco ball, but I need a little
Disco-
more specificity there, a little bit more.
Gold.
Uh,
Gold.
Gold is part of glitter. I'm giving
But
it in there, so you've got that.
Moon. Personality.
Nice reading, Sanam. Great job reading there.
Sanam's only job is to read the comments.
All right, bro. We need one more word for 20 points. I think there's a Vishnu Vardhan coming in solid with the answer. I can see it.
Star.
Crystal.
Oh man, on the dot.
Thanks.
On the dot. Vishnu, what did you do, bro?
He's a good competitor.
As you can see, number one answer came out in about a second, followed by diamond. And then you gave me stars down here and glitter gold. And we wanted to hear the word crystal, which came out in the 59th second, which means 100 out of 100. Done with the first question. Wow.
Good job.
Solid start, guys. Solid start. Sanam, you'll take that? 100 out of 100?
I'll take about 7 of those. Yeah.
How about 10?
All right. Yeah, you said you wanted 10, bro, earlier. Okay. All right, bro. Let's increase the difficulty a little bit more now, since the solid start is what we anticipated. Next question. Name a piece of clothing that people buy without trying, for the most part. Your time starts now. With
T-shirt.
Swimsuit? Undergarments?
undergarments, I'll give you that. It's number 2 answer. Just undergarments is in there. Keep going.
Without trying?
Without trying, jeez.
Jacket?
Let's-
I don't know.
Yeah, socks.
You say
That's
socks?
a good one. Socks.
Socks?
Socks, number 1 answer is socks. Yes, socks 1 and 2
Thanks.
knocked out. All right.
Scarf?
Wait,
You
scarf.
say scarf? Yes. Scarf is number
Tie.
5. We got scarf.
Thanks, audience. We're starting at this, but
You
thank
said
you.
tie too.
Socks,
Yeah, you got
tie.
4 out of 5, guys, already.
Okay, something you don't try. Hat, I guess. Sometimes maybe hat.
My head is really
No.
small. I need to try every hat.
That's true.
Hanky. Nice.
Now, this is a
Karan,
tricky one. I need you to really think.
Jeez, without
You
trying.
just need one more answer.
Clothing.
The number
clothing.
3 answer.
This is awesome.
Wait, what do jacket? No, jacket. Obviously, you try.
Think Indian. Think Indian.
But salwar kameez. No.
Ooh. You can't give that, right? Okay.
What was the sari, man? Sari.
Dude, you were close, bro. You were
Was
close.
it sari?
It was sari, Kanika,
Oh,
and lungi.
This one's
We needed saris or lungis. Any of those, I would have given it to you.
Oh man, that's brutal.
I was really bad at this.
He said salwar something, but I don't know what exactly.
That's kind of look. No, I guess not.
No, I told myself, okay, I will say think Indian with 5 seconds to go to give you, because that is my googly, and I got you with a little googly there. Okay, but still, that's 80 out of 100, 180 out of 200.
Okay,
Wow.
okay, take that. We'll
Okay,
take
okay, we'll take that. I'm pretty sure you'll take that.
that. Don't throw more googlies, dude. Come on.
Yeah.
All I can say is I don't see Vishnu in the comment section anymore.
The guy bounced.
Guys, like, it's a big mistake.
Yeah, I agree, Bobs. I agree. That was my bad.
It's definitely not a lungi, said Bobs. Man, your negotiation skills are not bad though. But we'll move on to the third question. Final question
Okay,
on the
let's
feud.
go.
Okay, Sanam Kanika, 180 out of 200. 100 more points up for grabs here. Name a weapon that you throw. Time starts.
Knife.
Boomerang.
Knife.
Knife works.
Knife.
Sword.
Sword.
Knife, sword, yeah, we got that. Keep
Brick.
going.
Weapon that you throw.
Stones, brick.
Yes, brick works. Brick and stone works. That's number 4. I'm still looking for number 1 and number 2 though.
Well, what about in an Indian
Oh,
home?
hammer.
Hammer, good one.
Hammer.
Keep going.
Grenade.
Grenade.
Thanks, Ekal.
Grenade, number 1 answer. That's what I was looking for. Grenade and a bomb. Perfect. So we need 2 and 5. We need number 2 and number 5.
Spear.
Bomb.
Spear, you knocked it out.
Bomb.
Yeah, that's a grenade. We're giving it there. I'm just looking for my fifth
Arrow.
5-pointer at number 5.
Bow and arrow.
Oh, Gilli Danda.
Bow and arrow.
Bro, and arrow, you can't dart it like that, Amisha.
That's true. That's true.
One,
Stones.
what about what do you say? Balan?
Yeah, that thing only. Yeah. What?
Wood.
Cut the time. What did you say? No, I didn't hear it. But what I heard were the top 4 answers. Let me know if you needed 5 more points. Grenade at number 1.
Oh,
Axe. Sanam, hammer is in Thor movies, bro. Axe is reality.
You should give us that though, Wesley.
Dude, just a fun fact.
Tell me.
Thor's hammer weighs, I think, 225 quadrillion tons or something.
Oh God.
Something like that.
Just so you guys
it's
know,
easy to throw.
Sanam Singh takes his Marvel movies serious. Sanam Singh takes all his movies very serious, in case you all are wondering. He's let that out of the bag.
Listen,
What did
I
they get?
think we get points for hammer and axe. They're interchangeable.
For now, I know we're going to do negotiations later.
Okay, we'll come
For
back.
now, we are at 275 out of 300. Okay?
Okay.
That's solid.
I expect
That,
very
that
solid.
sari thing is still killing me, dude. That sari, there might be the difference, but we'll see.
Well, Vishnu got you the difference anyway, so don't worry about it.
Piyush is saying thanks for nothing, Sanam.
Okay, so 275, guys. I honestly had you guys pegged at around 270, between 270 to 280, so you guys are doing fine.
Dude,
So
I had
second-
it pegged at 350 out of 300.
Well, we never, unless we give you bonus points for that epic rap that Sanam performed, we'll not be getting
We'll talk
350
about
there.
that later.
We'll talk about it later.
Yeah.
But now, moving into the second game, it's called Quick Wit, basically a spin of Fast Money, where you guys are going to work as a team, but I just need one nominee to step forward for 5 questions in 45 seconds. So who's going to represent Patiala first?
So, question for you: we don't switch? Only one person, or both of us get 45 seconds?
No, in the first segment, say, for example, Kanika starts. I'm going to ask Kanika 5 questions and you got to give me the top answer, just the top answer.
Okay.
And then you switch and then Sanam would get, for example, the next 5.
Okay.
Got it.
But you can help each other, but the actual answer has to come out of the person
Done.
playing.
Okay, cool. And how
So
many
who's
questions
representing
do we
first?
have?
Who's going first?
She'll go first.
I'll go.
Kanika's opening things up for Team Patiala.
I go. Help. Read the comments.
Comments. I'm going to read the comments. Thanks, guys.
Dude, you got one job, bro. Read the comments,
Yeah.
okay?
I agree.
Okay.
Yes, Raja.
Okay, Neha is going to show you the timer. As soon as I finish reading, 45 seconds on the clock, barring any internet issues. Are you ready, Kanika?
Yeah, I hope.
Okay. For your first question, wait, hold on. I want to start with, yeah. Name a place where you should be quiet.
Library.
Name a country apart from India that starts with the letter I.
Help. You know this.
Oh, no. Just say, I mean, I can only
Anything.
think of Ireland now, but...
Why can't I say it?
Anything, anyway.
The
Quick.
time is going.
Ireland.
Oh my God.
Ireland.
Okay.
no.
Name a type of jewelry that men wear often. A type of jewelry that men wear often.
Bracelet or ring? Which one?
I would say
Ring.
I'll have to check on that because I heard bracelet. Name a way people
I said
commute to
ring. I was
work.
talking to him.
Name a way people commute to work. Name a way people commute to work.
Car.
Name something people cut. Name something people cut.
fruit.
Hair.
Okay. Wow. That was really good answers though. Good teamwork, okay?
Really?
But dude,
I think you did well. Let me just check.
Also,
They did well, right? Yeah, they did really well. Yeah.
also
Okay.
ring, she said bracelet. She was talking to me. She said ring for her answer,
Yeah.
not bracelet.
Can she talk to him though? Okay, she can.
She said ring.
I have to ask the chairman and vice chairman of the
Who said
rules
we can
committee.
talk?
I'm just the pretty face on the show, dude. You guys can talk, is what I've
Because
heard.
the answer was ring.
Hello, we'll see.
Let's see. What if I had bracelet at number 1? You never know. Let's see.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Let's see.
Okay. So name a place where you should be quiet. Library was a very good answer. we had God's Room and Religion at number 1,
I
but
thought
Library at number 2. Okay, so you got 30. You got 30 there. 30 to start. Not bad. Now, name a country that, apart from India, that starts with the letter I. I think you said Ireland, right?
Yeah.
I think you said Ireland. Is that right?
Yeah.
Ireland, we had all the countries listed, so you always get points. It was a number 2 answer. Iceland was number 1. Italy was 3. Indonesia, and Israel, Iran, Iraq, whatever you said. So it's okay. It's okay. You got 230s. We'll take that. It's not bad. It's not bad at all.
I anyway don't know anything in geography, so this is fine for me. I got a point.
You got more than a point. You got 30 points there. You could have got 5, so that's not bad. It's not bad. Good job.
Yeah.
So now, name a type of jewelry that men often wear. I figured that you're going to say ring, Kanika, because I know that Sanam's had that ring on his entire life. Okay?
Oh.
So that's why I gave this question to you. And well done, because ring is our number 1 answer.
Okay, good.
And ironically, bracelet was the number 2 answer.
But we'll take
Yours
ring. We'll
start.
take ring.
Yours
But I
start.
did say ring.
She said ring,
Okay.
yeah.
We're giving you ring as of today, July 4th, we're giving you the ring. Okay?
Okay, cool.
You earned the ring, Sanam. You earned another ring in your illustrious career and game nights. Name a way people commute to work. She said, you said car. Yes, private automobile, cars, bikes was our number 1 answer.
Wow, that's
Public
complicated.
transport was number 2. Paid private transport like Ubers or whatever was 3. Cycling, and in India, not a whole lot of walking to work apart from Swapna at the resort. So yeah, that will be our 5th answer. So now, the last one, guys. Name something people cut. Sanam said fruit. Kanika shoved that answer aside and went with hair. And hair was the number 1 answer.
That's why.
Thank God.
Fruit, that was pretty
Was it
bad.
on the board? Was fruit on the
Yeah, fruit was our number 3 answer. Fruits and vegetables. Curry with Khan, we were expecting fruits. Solid answer. Curry with Khan, I thought you'll cut the fruits, but you went with the logical haircut. I
Well,
like that.
the Sanam needs a haircut, so that's why I went there.
Sanam, I'm seeing a lot of teenage girls throwing hearts in the comment section. So they like his hairstyle.
No comments. No comments.
No comments. I like that. Okay, so we're done with that. Kanika, you scored 180 points out of 200.
No pressure. No pressure.
Yeah, no pressure, seriously.
All right.
All right.
Why is Amisha saying Kanik and Sanam are drinking coffee? in
Why are
all
you
caps?
shouting at us, Amisha? Why are you shouting at us?
No, Anmisha likes to write in caps lock to make sure that we don't miss her comments. I like that. Keep them coming. Neha, busy squatting still.
Yeah, that's funny.
All right, Sanam.
Yeah.
Oh, nice question.
5 questions. You guys have not dropped a whole lot of points, is what I think so far. Okay. So, Sanam Singh, are you ready?
I'm ready. Yeah. Yeah, ready.
Alright, buffering for a second.
Wait.
Sanam, are you with me?
Now we
Yeah.
can.
Now
You're back now. Perfect.
Now it's good. Yeah.
Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay. Name something you put your name on.
Application form.
Name something that a fireman doesn't really want to be without.
Water hose. Water hose.
Name water. Okay. Name
Water hose,
something parents tell their adult children that they don't do.
Parents tell their adult children they don't do.
Wait. Say the question.
Yeah,
again.
that's right.
Their adult children they don't do. Geez, drink. I don't know. Wow.
Okay. Name a common fear.
Huh?
Name a common fear.
Bugs.
Okay. Name a huge animal.
Hippopotamus.
Damn, guy goes hippopotamus.
Wow. Okay.
I could have said
I love it. Oh God.
I really hope hippopotamus
Dude, you sounded really excited about the hippopotamus, bro.
I saw the time, dude. I wanted to get it in.
I like it though. I like it. You played within time. Sanam
Man, I
Singh,
should have said drugs instead of drink.
how many matches have we played against each other, and how many disputes over a line call have we had?
You and I?
Yeah, you and me.
Probably zero, dude. Is that a game question?
No. I'm just trying to hint that Sanam Singh is one of the most fair tennis players out there.
Oh yeah.
And in the back of my head, so is Jeevan, by the way.
I agree.
Okay, fine. There were some class answers though here. Name something that you put your name on, Sanam. He said application form. Our number one answer was you put your name on a check.
Oh, check.
You put your name on email, or you put on letters,
That
house
was-
plate like on your house, or a name tag. Where do we put? Did they get anything for that? Is that a zero? That didn't make the list. This one.
Yeah,
This one
I
didn't make the
actually
list.
I thought out of the box and told you the most
Yeah.
absurd answer. That's pretty bad.
I want you to stay in the box as much as you can. Okay.
We also forgot he has a partner in that first question.
Anyway.
No, hold on. But I know he's redeemed himself with some answers here.
Fair,
Okay.
fair.
Name something that a fireman doesn't really want to be without. Okay. You said water, and water was the number one answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank God.
I like how you said water hose, and I'm really happy that you said water first, because out of the hose comes water. Okay.
That's true.
Okay. So I heard water first, ladies and gentlemen. So we're giving Sanam 40 on water. All right.
All right. Good job.
This is the
Actually,
fast
okay.
part. Now I said name a huge animal. In my survey group, 10 out of 10 people said the number one answer. But Sanam, you did give me an answer which made the list. Number one answer was elephant,
Elephant.
but you gave me hippo, and it was 10 points.
Oh,
Elephant,
man.
blue whale, rhino, but hippopotamus was there. Okay, so you get
Okay,
10
good.
more points there.
I'm so
You get
glad
10
Hippo
more.
made it. Sanam would have been
Hippo
hard.
made it. Hippo made it, so you got some points there. And then he said, okay, name a common fear. They said insects. Yeah.
He said bugs.
Bugs, yeah.
Yeah, bugs, insects, anything to
Yeah.
do with that. We went with heights was the most
Heights.
common answer. Darkness,
Oh my God, I
death.
really sucked there.
Common fear is fear of dying and fear of drowning.
Yeah.
This is a
Heights,
toss-up
I-
because really all of them are good answers, and it's just a gamble. Like whatever happens.
Well, I'm afraid of drowning and heights, so geez, I don't know why I didn't say those.
I'm afraid of almost everything on this list, but unfortunately, this is where it ended up. Okay.
But also,
So
I
the last
saw
one. This. Tell me.
Yeah, go. Sorry. Go for it.
On the last question, I said name something parents tell their adult children that they don't do. I'm not sure what you said. I thought I heard you say drink.
Drink. I should have said drugs, but yeah.
No, not that they should not do. They
Yeah.
parents complain that they don't do.
Oh,
And-
no, we understand the question
Oh.
only.
Yeah, I heard you say that, and it
Oh,
went
man.
with they don't call, they don't visit.
Oh, we didn't
They don't
understand the
listen.
question.
The thing is, I heard Sanam say the question word for word. If you can just take a look, I said, name something parents tell their adult children that they don't do.
Okay.
Okay.
We were hearing it
Yeah.
as like, what is when
Yeah.
parents tell their children, we don't do this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Like as
Yeah.
parents, we don't do it.
I would have repeated it, but I heard Sanam repeat the question
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
it's-
where did they end up?
it's
Wow.
wrong.
Vese, I have to agree with Amisha. It's a pretty badly framed question.
It's just confusing a little bit, but it's.
I have to give one or two googlies in there, and honestly, that was one of my googly questions.
Yeah.
So that's fine. But let me tell you something, guys. Right now, you guys are 560 points out of 700. Okay, out of 750. Out of 750, because we finished the talent section already. So you guys still have one more section to play, which is the who's more likely to.
But
So
isn't
if they
that
get-
560? That's 560 plus 50, or sorry? So
No.
is that-
It's inclusive. You were 510, and with the talent being added, you guys are 560, which means you can still get to 860 points. But I need a perfect who's more likely, is where we are.
Oh,
Okay, but one thing I'm saying is that, dude, I saw a comment. application form, isn't that paper? Is that too much of a, like, application form is paper, right? So wouldn't we get that? Because
What did we write? We wrote down.
paper, the second
I
answer
wrote
was
down.
paper.
I'll tell you what I wrote down. I wrote down check. I wrote down email, letters.
Oh, okay.
Letters is when I was
I'm-
thinking letters. I was thinking of a handwritten letter. I can definitely review that one. We'll ask people on this 15 over here because. Let's see where letters. What were we thinking? We were thinking of like a letter that's written.
Okay, we can come back to it. It's
But a letter is an application form, is what I think. I think they've got a point on that. Okay.
we should
I think
get-
you made a good point. Let me just check what the comments
We're
are
going
saying
to
for
give
that.
Amisha the credit for that good point because
Yes, formal paper equals 40. Hello, Amisha. I don't have that at 40. I have it at 15. If anything, they'll get 15 more points.
We'll
Okay.
take 15.
Thanks, Michael. Michael saying give him the points.
Who's Michael? Who? Michael said, oh, Shabazz. Okay.
No, not Shabazz. He's our friend in
Okay.
Boston.
Who was it? Dude, you guys are more on the comment section than me. You guys are on it. Let me tell you, you guys have done a great job preparing with the comment section reading. I might have to give you like 10 more points just for the accurate reading that you're doing right now.
We'll talk about bonus
Guys,
points in the end
We
after
came
the
with
last section.
strategy. We came with strategy. One night I was
I like it.
thinking,
I like it.
don't Sanam. That's your role, Sanam, because I have really bad eyes. I can't read.
Okay, let's.
Yeah, okay. So as of now, we'll decide that letters thing, which most likely, I think we have right now decided we're giving it. Is that where we are? Have we decided we're giving it? Okay. So the current decision is that we're giving application under letters reviewed, new total, 575 points. Okay.
Okay.
575. We can clap to that. We can clap.
All right.
Should
Now
we do like what they do in Family Feud?
Get excited, dude.
What an
You
answer.
just nailed your first rap on Instagram Live. If that's something to be excited about.
Okay, let's do it. Next.
Okay. For those of you watching the final segment, since Sanam and Kanika, Team Patiala have already finished their talent section. They scored 50 out of 50 with a rap by Sanam. So we move on to the last 300 points that they can play for. 575 points made. If they nail everything, we'll have a new leader. And if not, obviously they're still chasing 840, which they have some room for error, from what I can tell. I mean, I didn't major in maths and stuff, but I know you guys have a good chance.
So that's not when we know each other.
Well, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
All right, team.
I like the Family Feud dances to that.
Okay, let's do it. We're ready.
Okay, Vishnu Vardhan with having 2 reviews in mind, all kept aside for now. As of now, 575. The way this game works, guys, you close your eyes, hands together, so we can see him. Honor system, no talking once I read out the question. To the best of your ability, whatever you've understood, just make a point, okay? You point to yourself or you point to your partner, and we judge you based on that. I mean, I didn't mean to make it sound so bad that I'm judging you guys. You guys are already class. Okay.
You are the game show host. You can judge us.
No, she judges me all the time. It's fine.
That's my job.
Yeah, it's okay. This one over here judges me all the time also. Welcome to the club, as we like to say.
Marriage, guys. It's called marriage.
Okay,
I
let's
should have asked something like, name someone who would lose their golf shaft 5 hours after buying it in Bangkok.
Dude, let's not bring up
Let's-
these
let's-
stories about Bangkok. Yeah, anyway.
Yeah, let's not. Okay, moving on to the final segment. Who's more likely to? Sanam and Kanika, please close your eyes and let's begin with the first question. All right. Yeah. All right. Between Sanam and Kanika, next week, if you guys were to go play a round of golf, who is more likely to get the better score?
Oh man.
No talking. I need a point. Open your eyes, guys.
Oh man.
Oh, Sanam, you
I
sweetie.
still can't beat you. Of course you can. I haven't. Last time
Dude, I
did
know.
it.
Oh my god, that was bad.
Oh,
Courtesy Vishal Upal. Question number 1.
of course. You was.
Oh man, I've been playing a lot. I've been playing a lot, and I've shot a couple 76s and
Yeah,
stuff. but
you
still I
you
can't-
you did tell me that just a couple weeks back when I
Yeah.
heard you're 76, and I was like, okay, then this is definitely a good question for you guys. All right.
Anyway, all right.
Anyway, moving on. Question number 2. Between Sanam and Kanika, who is more likely to party all night long? Open your eyes.
This was a no-brainer.
Okay. Yeah, dude, that was a. I had to throw in a little laddu also. Once in a while, I have to throw in a laddu. Okay. Sanam, if you can just point a little higher, bro, because the comment section is blocking
Okay,
your
sorry,
finger
sorry,
for
yeah.
me. No worries. Okay. So we're 1 out of 2 going to the third. Between Sanam and Kanika, who is more likely to remember the lyrics of a Punjabi song? Okay, open your eyes. You got that, guys. You got that.
This helped. Yesterday helped.
Yeah, really? Okay. Because Sanam is the rapper, but I guess Kanika, you're the specialist with the Punjabi songs, huh?
Sanam,
Any lyrics, dude? I'm not great. Hindi, Punjabi, I'm a little better, but if it's an English song, I don't remember shit.
Okay. All right. So 2 out of 3, guys.
Okay.
Still in the hunt, right? Still in the hunt. Everything to play for. Between Sanam and Kanika, who has the bigger sweet tooth? Open your eyes. You got it, guys. You got it.
And that was good. Jeez,
I
I was
could-
hoping, yeah.
Oh,
That's
I
good.
could hear
Wow.
him.
Man, I was surprised. I thought it's going to be you, Sanam.
No, dude, yeah. I just like to nibble. She likes to eat a lot of sweets. I just like this. I just dabble in the sweets a little
I'm the
bit.
hippopotamus.
You just dabble around in the
Yeah,
sweets,
yeah,
huh?
yeah.
Okay. All right.
Oh,
All right.
God.
Googly number 2 coming up.
Oh.
Who is more likely to adopt a pet? No googly, I guess. Open your eyes. Boom. Okay. I just didn't know. I had no idea. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I like pets, but she is a little crazy about pets.
Not pets,
Okay.
dogs.
Yeah.
Dogs. Man, what if I said who is more likely to adopt a cat?
Nobody. None of us like cats.
No.
Yeah, I mean, it would still be.
Oh, I was so
Yeah.
close to a googly if I wrote
any
cat.
responsibility
Okay.
I want to run away from.
Okay. Really, bro? Okay.
Anyway.
Okay. Close your eyes. It's July 4th. And for those of us in India who are not aware, it's Independence Day where these guys are in the States. So tell me, who is more likely to celebrate Independence Day? Open your eyes.
I knew
Red, white, and blue. Sing.
It has nothing to do with the Independence Day. It's just a lot to do with celebration, dude.
Celebration. I had a feeling celebrate and sing were going together.
We're gonna celebrate game night with G after this.
I also want to point out that Charlotte made a comment right now that says Kanika loves dogs. That's why she loves Sanam.
Yeah, I like that, Charlie.
Nice zinger there, Charlotte. So where are they right now? Let's get a quick score check because
Ooh.
5 out of 6, which puts them at? Okay. My scorekeeper and timekeeper don't want to put any pressure, so we just keep going.
Yeah.
You're 5 out of 6.
Okay. Let's do that, Sanam.
Next question from Somdev Devarman.
Oh.
Between Sanam and Kanika, who is more likely to clean the house after a night out? Oh, wow. Okay. Open your eyes.
Ale.
Let's not talk about the quality of the cleaning. Let's
Please
just talk
explain.
The thing is, like, anything that comes in my way, it's out. So I've thrown Kanika's Amazon packages away. Like it can't be out there.
Compulsive cleaning or everyday cleaning, Sanam?
No, every day also, but after, especially if we're out or we're partying, then definitely I clean more.
Okay.
Yeah. A little
Nice.
bit.
What a great husband, Kanika. Wow.
Yeah.
Cleaning.
That's
Yeah, exactly. Big up to Singh. 3 questions to go, Team Patiala Peg. 3 questions to go, all right?
Okay. Let's do this. Come on.
Between Sanam and Kanika, who is more likely to give people terrible nicknames? Open your eyes. You got it.
God, thank God. That was tough.
Yeah. That was from my who's more likely to package.
That was a tricky one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we got two more to go, guys. You only missed one, which was honestly the first question. Very similar to our current leaders, where they missed the first question and then they knocked out every answer and got 9 out of 10. You guys are on the same track right now, okay?
Okay, fingers crossed. Yes, Madison. that's
Madison,
you,
we will not
100%.
forget you again. So we played this game with our friends, Madison and Michael, and everybody voted for Madison to be the most likely to be forgotten.
At a party.
At a party.
Well, I'll tell you what, you guys are going to be remembered on game night if you get the next two right.
Vamos.
Okay, guys, close your eyes. Let's move to the 9th question. Ooh, okay. Between Sanam and Kanika, who makes all the executive decisions at home? Okay, that was one of the gimmies. Okay. 8 out of 9. Open your eyes.
You didn't have to finish the question for us to answer.
As soon as you said executive, I was like, it's definitely not me.
Okay, God. 8 out of 9, guys.
Okay, come on.
Smart answer, Sanam. You're going to sleep well tonight, I'm sure. Final question. Team Patiala Peg. Bit of a googly. Between Sanam and Kanika, who is more likely to get trapped by a revolving door? Oh! Open your eyes. You're laughing and saying that. Any reason?
No,
No, dude, it's
only
just,
he can do such things.
yeah, dude, this is basically, she's sitting here, but she's also like, she's perfect. She's just perfection.
I
Like,
embody perfection.
she never makes mistakes. Like, mistakes just don't happen with her.
Wow.
I'm being
So,
very
guys,
sarcastic, but yeah.
that actually concludes our game night. Are you guys curious at all on how you did?
Dude,
Curious
I'm
on your
pissed
score?
off. I'm pissed off that I didn't point to myself in the first question. So, I want to know
Do
the
you
score.
do you think that affected the outcome of
I think
840?
it affected our score. It's going to be that and you gave us the application 15, so that's good.
Well,
And we can talk about
Yes,
a few
I
more
also know that Vishnu has said there are 2 reviews,
Yep.
but I also know
Boo!
that this is your score right now.
Oh!
Vamos!
This is not my handwriting. This is Swapna's handwriting. That's why it's so clear, as you can see. Shout out to
That is
Swapna's
basically-
handwriting.
Thank you, Swapna.
So, guys, congratulations. As of today, you guys are topping the board with 5 points. Okay.
Vishnu's reviews now.
Vishnu, chill out.
Honestly,
chill
so
out.
am I. That's what adds to the whole fun of game nights, I guess, where people dispute answers. But it's amazing. 845, if all the math is done right, which I can probably trust my sister to do. That's why it's not my job. So, guys, all of y'all watching the show right now, Sanam Singh made his debut on Instagram. Team Patiala Peg have just overtaken Team 2 States by 5 points.
Do we get bonus points for our effort?
I
Raja
am
called it
looking at
early.
that.
Raja said 800 club. Love it.
You're in a very elite club, is what Raja likes to point out there.
Why are we not negotiating for
But-
effort?
Yeah, so we're going to negotiate 25 more points. I'm going to appeal for 25 more points for putting in
Okay, you go
goal
ahead and appeal for
effort.
25. And as of now, July 4th, obviously celebration day for Singh. You have another reason to celebrate because Patiala Peg is taken over game night with G. Barring any overrules, we will have a new leader at the top. Congratulations, guys.
Thanks, dude. Calls for
Wow.
a Patiala Peg. So
Huh?
Saturday night, I hope you guys all have a Patiala Peg tonight.
Also, Swapna says you might want to thank Vishnu because I remember that 20 points he gave in the first answer turned out to be very crucial right now, is what I think.
So true.
That's good.
So true.
But dude, I'll quickly say one thing, man. Your unbelievable job by you hosting this. It's a joke how good a job you're doing, and So much fun, man, watching it. And also thank you to Swapna and Neha.
Yes.
Behind the
Yeah, of
scenes,
course.
they're killing it.
Saying thank
I mean,
you to
I'm
you
sure you
guys.
guys do so. I was just thinking, you probably all week are doing so much work getting this done, dude. So, and it's such great entertainment for us. And thanks for
Thanks,
having
man.
us, man. All three of you. Thank you so much.
Man, thanks a lot for being such good sports. And obviously, congrats again. Keep watching the show. We still have a lot of really good episodes. And for
Can't
those of
wait.
you watching again, quick reminder, not only do we have new leaders as of now, we also have a Lucky Dip edition that happens every Wednesday. So if you like Game Night with G, go ahead and comment on the link below on Indian Tennis Daily Official and challenge the new leaders. That's it. Perfect, guys. Thanks so much for being a part of it.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Having us.
Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday. Happy Independence Day in the States, guys.
Azadi, Azadi, Azadi.
All right, guys. And don't forget to watch
Bye,
Sanam's rap. It's
guys.
killer. Killer, everyone. Bye, guys. Thanks for being on the show. See you soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.